The Su-35 that the Russian Air Force operates today is actually called the Su-35S, technically a different fighter with its roots in an early 2000s modernization effort to narrow the emerging technical gap between aging Soviet aircraft and Western fourth-generation fighters. The new Su-35 entered serial production in 2007, exhibiting a number of striking design features. Its capable Saturn AL-41F1S engines support supercruising, or the ability to sustain supersonic flight without the use of afterburners. Gone were the canards of prior variants, replaced by thrust vectoring nozzles that contributed to impressive maneuverability gains in certain dogfighting scenarios. The Su-35S shipped with a major avionics overhaul, including a digital fly-by-wire flight control system, the IRBIS-E phased array radar, and an onboard infrared search and track (IRST) system. No less importantly for its air superiority role, the Su-35 boasts an offensive electronic countermeasures (ECM) suite that can feasibly jam the F-16's AIM-120 AMRAAM and similar air-to-air missiles. Where the Su-35 really shines against competitors like the F-22 Raptor is payload capacity and versatility. Boasting an expansive weapon suite spread across a whopping 12 hardpoints, the improved R-74 short-range air-to-air missile boasts a range between 25 to 30 miles and supports off-boresight fire, meaning that the Su-35 pilot can target an enemy aircraft by looking at it through their helmet within a certain range of view. Meanwhile, the Su-35's R-77 fills the medium-range air-to-air engagement niche. What separates the Su-35 from many similarly positioned air superiority fighters is that it can competently fill a ground attack role if needed, supporting a vast catalog of TV, laser, and satellite-guided bombs, in addition to some of Russia's latest anti-ship and air-to-ground missiles. Around 115 serial Su-35s are currently in service throughout Russia's Air Force, with upwards of 50 more models having been ordered through recent export deals with partners including China and Egypt.